whatever you do and you earn money in Nigeria, you are going to be taxed. The year is running very fast, and up until now, you have not understood the Nigerian tax law. What if you wake up one day and discover that all your money in your bank account is gone? I know you're asking, just like that. Yes, just like that. You're not the only person. A lot of people are confused about the Nigerian new tax law. In this video, I will do my best to break it down in bits, in the simplest form that you will understand. You will be able to understand exactly what this new Nigerian tax law implies and how it affects you and how you're supposed to respond to it, right? So let's get into the video. There are categories of earnings, how much you will make in a year, and how much you will pay tax. It is not a flat rate. It's not as if they are charging you are going to be paying tax the same percentage for everybody. No, it's not the same percentage. It's based on earnings. So if you earn small, you are going to be paying smaller. If your yearly earnings are much or are higher, you are going to be paying higher, right? Now, for example, if you earn less than 100,000, if you earn 800,000 naira and below in Nigeria, you are exempted from tax, which means you are not going to pay tax. If you earn between 800,000 naira and less, anything from 800,000 naira down, you're not going to pay tax in Nigeria. You are exempted. Tax is not going to affect you. Nobody is going to disturb you, right? But if you earn more than 800,000 naira a year, then you are going to pay tax. And this is how it's going to work. You are going to pay the amount that is above the 800,000. So let's say you work and you earn 100,000 naira every month, which means that in a year of 12 months, you will earn 1.2 million. You will earn 1,200,000, right? Now, this is how it's going to work. 800,000 naira will be deducted from that 1,200,000, and now you will pay tax for only 400,000. And within that range, you will pay 15% tax, right? So what is 15% of 400,000? 15% of 400,000 is 60,000, which means if you earn 100,000 naira in Nigeria every month, you will pay 60,000 naira to the government at the end of the year. Right? Now, from 0 to 800,000, you're not paying tax. From 800,000, 1 naira to 3 million naira, you are going to be paying 15% tax. Now, remember that 800,000 will be removed first, whatever is more. So if you are earning 3 million naira a year, the government will take 800,000 out of that 3 million naira, and what will be left will be 2.2 million naira. That's 2,200,000, and then you will pay 15% tax on 2,200,000. Now, if you earn between 3 million 1 naira to 12 million naira, you are going to be paying 18% tax. 18% tax annually. Also, if you earn between 12 million 1 naira to 25 million naira, you are going to be paying 21% tax. 21% tax for people who are earning between 12 million 1 naira to 25 million naira. Now, if you earn between 25 million 1 naira to 50 million naira, you are going to be paying 23% tax annually. If you earn above 50 million naira in a year, you are going to be paying flat rate of 25% tax. 25% tax. Now, understand that all the levels of taxes that we have discussed will be deducted at those levels before the remaining one that is in the category of 50, that is in the category of above 15 million naira, will be taxed 25%. Now, let me explain what I mean. Let's say you earn 50 million naira, right? So your first 800,000 naira will be removed and there will be no tax on it. The second 3 million naira will be charged at 15%. The amount on that money that makes it up to 3 million naira will be charged at 15%. And then the next amount that makes it up to 12 million naira, from 3 million naira to 12 million naira, will be charged at 18%. And the next amount that takes it to 25 million naira will be charged at 21%. All right. So it's not as if you are going to be charged flat rate of any category you are in. No, the categories that are in between will be charged at their separate rates. And then at the end of the day, the government will arrive at a figure. Okay. So now there are certain questions that you might have regarding this tax law. For the sake of clarity, I'll be asking a few questions and then answering those questions, and hopefully these questions that I'm asking will answer some of the concerns that you have about this new tax law, and you will know how to position yourself. Now let's get into the questions. Number one, which specific individuals does the Nigerian tax law apply to? It applies to all individuals earning an income in Nigeria. If you are earning an income in Nigeria, this new tax law applies to you, and you're supposed to pay taxes in Nigeria. Maybe you are a content creator, you have a business, you are a freelancer, you are an author, you are a crypto trader. Whatever you do and you earn money in Nigeria, you are going to be taxed, right? Whether you have a small business or you have a big business, so far as you earn from Nigeria, you are going to be taxed. Now the next question is, will transfers in and out of my account, okay, let me put this question like this. Will I pay for transfers in and out of my account? No. Transfers that come in and out of your account do not amount to your income, right? This is you are paying personal income tax. And I am going to address personal income tax more, because this one affects affects a larger number of Nigerians. This one affects a larger number of Nigerians. It affects you. And so I am going to in this video, I'll be dealing specifically with personal income tax, right? There are other tax laws, but in this video, I will be dealing specifically with personal income tax, right? So if monies come into your account, people transfer money into your account, and then you send money out, doesn't mean you are also going to pay taxes for those monies that come into your account. No, you're not going to pay taxes for those monies that come into your account and go out. You're only going to pay taxes for the monies that are income or are profit, are your personal income or your personal profit that you make from transactions or you get from pay as wages and all of that. Another thing is, if a Nigerian does a small business, maybe staying under a small store, or maybe under umbrellas, and they are working from there, will they be compared to pay tax? No, they will not be compared to pay tax. Small income earners, as those operating from small stores or small businesses under umbrellas and all of that, will not be forced to pay tax. Another question is, should you have a tax identification number? Yes, you should have a tax identification number. So this is how the new tax law works. I know I might not be able to answer all your questions in this single video, but if you have questions you want me to answer about this new tax law and they are not covered in this video, drop them in the comment section below, and I will pick those questions. I will answer them either in the comment section, or I will do a follow-up video to let you know exactly what other things you should know about the new Nigerian tax law. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime I upload valuable content like this, you will be notified. Thank you for staying up until this time. See you in my next video.